Where to connect the emergency stop device. In accordance with the Machinery Directive, each machine has to be equipped with at least one emergency stop device. These emergency stop devices are typically equipped with electromechanical contacts. If these are now connected in series with other electromechanical safety switches, the possibility of fault masking arises once again. To solve this problem, Bernstein offers an electronic emergency stop device, specially adapted to the SRF safety sensors. This electronic emergency stop device fits perfectly into the SRF series. Simply integrate it via the M12 connector and that's it. And despite a series connection, you no longer have to worry about fault masking. In addition, the electronics allow the transmission of extensive diagnostic data so that your machine can work very efficiently. This creates the basis for predictive maintenance. SRF and SEU. With Bernstein, your machines will be Industry 4.0 ready.